How to switch to Binance Pro version on app. Hello and welcome back to our YouTube channel How to Tutorials. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can switch to Binance Pro version on application. To do so, first of all, open your Binance application on your mobile device and make sure here you are logged into your account. Once you are logged into your account, you will land on this home page. Here at the top left, you will be able to see the Binance logo or the icon. Tap on this Binance logo. This will take you to the profile page. In this page at the bottom, you will be able to see this Binance Pro option. Simply tap on it. Soon after doing that, you'll be able to see you have successfully switched your Binance Pro version on your Binance application. Once after switching it, now you can manage your Binance Pro version wallet. So by following these steps, you should be able to switch to Binance Pro version on your Binance application. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Also hit that bell icon to never miss any updates from us. Thank you for watching.